PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
You have a long backhand. Fast balls are used as a constraint. Then you attack their forehand short and counter hit. This is the most common tactic for a hook serve. Firstly, why should I make you practice the long ball first? Serving a short ball is useless. They can handle it easily on the table. It's because of the strong constraint with the long backhand. Serve it short. That's why they won't wait for you by the table. Right? Also, the distance between the forehand short and backhand long is quite far. You have the pressing ability. So how do I serve short? I'll give you two elements. The first is that the short serve needs to have strong spin. Of course, this strong spin also involves changes in spin. What's the second element? Be precise. Serve right on the edge of the table. If the opponent sees it's half long, they will hold you back. Then you'll be in trouble. Why trouble? Because you weren't prepared. They hold you back. You serve short. You definitely think they are controlling you on the table or attacking you on the table. You think about serving off the table yourself. Right, you didn't expect that. You are not prepared. Defense at this moment is particularly difficult, so serving precise is very important, unless it's someone of a higher level. They intentionally serve half long, forcing the opponent to awkwardly attack. And then they counter with a backhand loop, or directly go into active defense, then switch to attack. That's more advanced. You're still young. I think you shouldn't consider those things for now. First focus on the spin. Then serve precisely. What's the contradiction here? Like when you serve, adding spin makes it go off the table. Focusing on precision removes the spin. You feel like you had spin, but it goes off the table. Then when they pull it, you don't know what to do. I need to be precise. I don't want to serve off the table. Isn't it two extremes? So the question is, how do I serve short without going off the table? Here is the question. How can I serve short without popping up? Is it important? Is it crucial? There are the key points. The contact point for a short serve should be slightly higher than for a long serve. Don't aim too low. If you aim too low, it becomes too difficult. Secondly, when you're serving short, aren't you trying to put some force into it? Try to add a bit of force diagonally forward. Understand this, look closely. This can easily pop up. I'm afraid to put too much force. Look in that direction. Can you see it? Apply force to the position of the net post. It's very noticeable. And I dare to put some force into it. Understand, I put force forward. As long as you apply the same force, there's a high chance it'll pop up towards the position of the net post. Is it too short? Easier to control. The contact point is slightly higher for a short serve. The first bounce should land on the table. His return should also land on the table. You see, the first bounce lands on the end line. It corresponds to the first and second bounces. The direction of force for the third hit. Instead of hooking it inwards here, it will definitely be short. It feels a bit like boxing, right? Isn't it? It's like wearing boxing gloves. Think of it as a boxing glove. When you swing with the one on your hand, it naturally becomes shorter, and then serve it here. The first bounce with the forehand is short. Did it pop up? Was it served towards the forehand? This one is not easy to pop up, right? Rotate fully and don't overshoot the edge. Reach the edge. You just missed reaching the edge. Why do you think I served that way? I can serve towards that side. Ah, he didn't reach the edge. It seems like I have to serve like this. Do you need clarification? You only need the first bounce. Just serve from the first bounce. Serve from the first bounce over there. He's definitely short on that side. Serve from the first bounce to this spot. But you keep hitting that way. Let the first bounce come to this spot. The first bounce serves to that side. Clearly, you see it, right? Look at the first bounce. Is that side better? I serve to this area on the first bounce. Is it that side? It's that simple. Aim for the middle line. Aim for the edge line of the table and the half area between the middle line. This is the serving hand. Right, serve from the first bounce here. It's highly likely to be served short on the forehand. Serve towards this spot on the first bounce. Then the direction of your own force is towards that location. Just control the landing point of the first bounce. It will determine the location of your second bounce. Great, you can try it. Just try it and you'll know. It's simple, right? Is it easy or not? Oh, simple. No matter what type of ball, your first priority is to relax. From preparation to racket positioning. It's all part of the same process. Do you understand that preparation is key? Relax during racket positioning. From a good racket position to making the main shot when looping, you exert maximum power. Expend all your energy during this phase. Then suddenly stop. Relax. You must relax. From a good racket position to the point of contact with the ball. Release all your power suddenly. Then swiftly stop. Relax. It's a continuous process. Playing table tennis is like this. You see, relax. It's a simple principle, right? Relax in your force application. Apply force, then relax. Exert force while staying relaxed. This feeling is important. Silently remind yourself to relax. Relax, exert force, relax. Perfect. Now you're understanding. Just focus on experiencing this feeling first. Yes, relaxation is key. Exert force, then swiftly stop. Good job on this short one. I think the key is to apply pressure with your hand at the end. Use your hand to add pressure for a curved trajectory. Relax, relax. Ah, relax. Guard against looseness. I didn't block, right? You didn't block with your chin, right? What's the purpose? Your abdominal muscles. Apply pressure for a curved trajectory. Do you understand? Yes, it's correct. Okay if you can't do it perfectly. You should try to do it like this. Plus, it can help you exert more force. Actually, it can also be seen in the rotation. Stronger, very good for longer shots. Feeling a bit nervous. I feel like the speed hasn't fully come out. It's okay, let's try again. Relax again. Very good for the short ones. Ah, center of gravity. Relax your abdominal muscles. Relax. Alright, let's do another one. Relax your abdominal muscles. Let's do another one. Engage your abdominal muscles a bit more. Got it. Sometimes when you tense, he actually doesn't listen. Why are you nervous? First, I want to praise you. Being nervous shows you want to play well. In fact, people instinctively get nervous when trying to do well. If you truly don't care, don't want to play well, you might just stay like this. You're not nervous at all. You won't get nervous if you casually play, but we want to play well and overcome this nervous feeling. Nervousness brings about physical tension. It will affect your physical movements. So we have to overcome it. You have to remind yourself, what does relaxation mean? Not using much force when gripping the racket is relaxation, right? If you grip it loosely, it can be taken away at any time. You must be relaxed. How do you measure if your hand is tense or relaxed? Just see if it can be taken away. Ha ha ha, do you understand? It's impossible to take it away, right? Then when I put in effort, when I want you to take it away, try to take it away. Once I relax, he takes it away again. Why do I lose power? Stop. I relax my grip and you can take it away again, right? Measuring whether you're nervous or not. That's the feeling, right? Is measuring this simple. Just loosen my grip, right? Control your striking point well. Very good.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.